Is your air conditioner making noises loud enough to stop you from enjoying your favorite TV show? If so, those loud noises can become tomorrow's expensive AC repairs. Keep watching to find out what those loud noises are and how to address them before they become bigger issues. From banging noises to screeches, our technicians at Monkey Wrench have dealt with all sorts of problems associated with loud heating and cooling systems for over 15 years. Whether it's a loose component or a faulty part, our technicians have been able to repair noisy ACs throughout all of Los Angeles. Various problems can cause your air conditioner to make loud noises, but some of them are more common than others. And in this video, we'll review each of these issues and how they may be responsible for loud noises coming from your air conditioner. Hey, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing as we are constantly putting out new videos every week. Now let's jump in, starting with, it's normal for most air conditioners to make some noise at startup, such as soft humming or light clicking. Before we continue, it's important to understand that any abnormal rattling, banging, or any other strange noises should always be inspected by a technician. In our experience, one of the most common reasons for loud AC noise is loose connections throughout the AC unit. Your central air conditioner can make banging, rumbling, and even clanking noises if there are loose screws and connections inside. The internal bolts and nuts of the components can loosen up over a period of time due to very slight vibrations from when your AC is powered on. Although you may be tempted to tighten screws on your own, it's best and highly recommended to leave it up to a professional technician. With their experience, technicians have a better understanding of air conditioning parts and can complete maintenance without causing any damage to your system. Tightening loose connections is one of the services usually included in AC tune-ups and maintenances. Tightening any loose bolts is an easy fix for most noisy ACs, but sometimes other parts like the fan motor can cause strange sounds when it starts to fail. Another part that could be making a ruckus is your AC fan. Dirty fans or damaged fan blades can make any of the following unusual sounds: squealing, screeching, grinding, buzzing. If the fan motor bearings aren't lubricated, they can make loud noises from friction from metal rubbing on metal. The motor can also experience electrical issues that can create a buzzing sound. Neglecting to maintain your central AC system routinely can cause the fans to get dirty and clogged with debris. The fans will start making clanky sounds because they can't spin properly. AC maintenance service includes cleaning the indoor and outdoor units where the fans are located to prevent clogs that can lead to these loud noises. Depending on what's wrong with the blower fan motor, a technician may need to repair or replace it. Another issue that could cause your AC to make weird noises is problems with the condenser. Issues with your air conditioning system's condenser can create loud noises such as squealing and screeching. The AC condenser also has a fan motor that may experience electrical problems, producing this buzzing sound. Because it's located outside, dirt and debris can get caught in and around the condenser. With routine maintenance, any annual debris buildup in the condenser unit can be removed, eliminating any chance of strange noises being heard. And the last probable cause of weird noises from your AC may be ductwork issues. If your air conditioner has punctured or damaged ductwork, it will likely produce loud banging and popping noises. Aging ductwork is prone to loose seals and damage from outside forces, and in some cases, rodents. Dirty ductwork may also produce weird sounds, but a thorough duct cleaning from a professional can address them. If the loud noises come from damaged ductwork, a technician will most likely need to replace it. Once the ductwork is cleaned or replaced entirely, any loud and unusual noises should be gone. Whether it's a minor loose screw or extensive ductwork damage, loud and strange noises can come from a variety of sources within your air conditioner. By now, you should be up to speed with some of the most common causes behind loud air conditioner noise. With this info, you can better understand a technician when they provide a diagnosis of your AC's noise issues. If after considering these factors you think your AC is having issues related to loud noises and live in Los Angeles or the surrounding areas, you can schedule an appointment with our certified HVAC technicians using the link below in the description. And if you found any of the info in this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all our future videos.